Do you want to learn how to add dimensions? Then keep on watching. So you'll find the dimension tool here in the annotate panel of Home tab. So if you'll expand this drop down, you'll find various ways to dimension. So let's start with the linear. Click on the linear and specify the points. So these 2 points, linear is used to add the dimension of horizontal and vertical line. So the horizontal is 25 feet 11 inch and vertical dimension of the line is 20 feet 9 inch. So next in this drop down is align. Click on the align tool and specify 2 points where you want to add dimension. So the align dimension of this line is 33 feet 2 inch. So what happens if you use linear dimension to add the dimension of a aligned line? So let's click on linear and let's try to add the dimension of this aligned line. So you can only add horizontal and vertical dimension of the line. You won't be able to add the horizontal, you won't be able to add the aligned dimension. The horizontal line will be between these two lines and the vertical dimension will be between these two lines. So it's necessary to use align dimension for aligned line. So next on the list is angular. So let's suppose I want to know the angle between these two lines. So I can simply click on these two lines and the angle will be placed. So it's the angle between these two lines is 39 degrees. So next one is arc length. So I want to know the length of this arc. So click on this arc and here you go. You have the arc length. And next one here is radius. So I want to know the radius of this circle. Click on the circle and here you have radius is 12 feet 8 inch. The next one is diameter. So click on it. Click on the circle that you want the diameter and here is your diameter of the circle. So the next on the list is ordinate. So ordinate is used to find the x and y coordinate of certain point. So let's find the x and y coordinate of this line. So click on the point and again invoke the tool. So we have found the x and y coordinate of this point. So let's check if that's right or not. For that we have a command id and press enter and click on the point that you want the x and y coordinate of. So this is the point. So here you can see the x coordinate is 407 feet 11 inch. So this is this point and y coordinate is 314 feet 5 inch. So this is this side. So here you can see the x coordinate is the vertical one and y coordinate is the horizontal one. So I hope you got it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful.